Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the Office edition and license type because activation commands differ. Once done, open Command Prompt as administrator to ensure you can write system files. Navigate to the Office installation folder with cdc /program files /Microsoft Office /Office 16 or the program files x86 path if 32-bit. Make sure you use the correct folder for your version, Office 16, Office 15, or Office 14. This initial alignment saves time and prevents wrong key installations later. You now install the product key and point Office to the activation service. First run OSP. VBS with the /imkey parameter to add your key so Office recognizes it. Next, set the KMS host using /setst, KM's name or specify a port with /setbit if your environment requires it. This tells Office where to validate. Once configured, trigger activation using /act. Make sure to run each command from the install folder so the OSP VBS script executes against the correct Office instance. You finish by verifying activation status and applying one key troubleshooting tip. Run OSP VBS/D status to view license state, activation ID, and expiration so you confirm success. If activation fails, make sure your key matches the edition. The KMS hostname is reachable, firewall rules allow TCP traffic to the host, and system time is synchronized. Time drift often blocks activation. Once resolved, restart Office apps. As a final check, open an Office app and verify the account or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.